Hello guys, and welcome back to a brand new video and a brand new project on the channel. This is a 1989 Honda CBR400RR, and this bunch of mangled wires used to be its wiring harness. I basically got the bike for free. And there you go, I basically stripped 3/4 of the bike, radiator, most of the radiator hoses. Some of these look not in the best condition, but then others look absolutely amazing. I took out the carbs, some of the wires, the shock, all those things. I didn't take out everything, there's that. And then I took out 90% of the wiring harness. As you can see, some of it is just basically cut off with no reason whatsoever, so I'm not sure what's going on there. But otherwise than that, the bike doesn't look in the worst condition. Some of that is actually quite really nice. I took off the fairing and here's a fucking wasp's nest attached to the thing, so I don't know what the fuck this thing has probably standing for quite some time. So now I'm just gonna clean the bike and then I'm gonna start with the wiring harness. It took me much longer than anticipated, but I sorted everything out on the wiring harness. I marked absolutely fucking everything and where it needs to go. Some of the wires has been cut, like this one, and this one, for example, for the alternator wire, which is back here. So it has a connection, but I don't have the connection because it's been cut. And for example, this, which is the turn signal, which is the pulse generator. And here I have the ignition unit with the wires and the pulse generator, why that has been cut. So obviously I need to wire that up to here, because I'm assuming it needs to be here somewhere. I'm not sure. I can probably fit it somewhere else if I really want to. But yeah, I'm not gonna strip everything. I'm gonna keep it like this. I took off the carbs and I opened them up, and if I take this off, it is absolutely spotless. Like really, it's so clean in here. So I don't know.